Let's go, guys. It's Raul TV, Team R4UL, your favorite YouTube mechanic, back again. And what I'm doing now is I've got a Kia Sportage on a 62 plate, and I'm going to go ahead and replace the reverse light switch. Reason why I'm replacing the reverse light switch is, if you've come across this before, it might not be this. It's only a punt. I'm just trying to eliminate things. Reverse light comes on all of a sudden. Okay, even if you're driving straight on, all of a sudden the reverse light just comes on out of nowhere. Driving straight, no problem. First gear, second gear, third gear, and the reverse light comes on. So he's had some complaints, people thinking, oh, you're reversing into me. Anyway, that's the problem with the car. Reverse light comes on out of nowhere, okay, even without putting it in reverse. So I'm guessing, and even when I put it in reverse before, reverse light comes on, okay, but when I take it out of reverse, it sticks. So I'm guessing maybe reverse light switch. It might not be that. If you come across this problem, leave it in the comment section. And yeah, all I'm going to say before I start this video, thanks guys. Thank you guys for supporting me. Let's do this. Raul TV, Team R4UL. Let's go. Okay, so the reverse light switch, it goes from the top of the car, I think. Okay, I've never done one of these before, so I think it goes from the top of the car. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this battery tray off, then hopefully we can gain access down there. So first things first, let's take this battery off. 10mm here. And another 10mm in there. Take them two off. Move it out of the way. Boom, there we go. We'll go down here. That's a 12mm bolt, this one here. Take that off, take that bracket off. Battery should come off. We'll go from there. The next thing what we need to do is we're going to take this air filter box off. Obviously it's dead easy to take the air filter box off. We take these clips off on the side here, that one here, that one there. We'll take that off there, 10mm. Another one, another clip here, another clip here. Move that out of the way, as you can see here. If we take that out of the way, if we take that off, the top half comes off, then we can gain access to the bottom. Okay, after that, all we do is we take that bolt off there, as you can see there, 10mm bolt, take that off. And obviously this is connected as well to the air filter pipe, air filter box, this pipe here. So we'll go ahead and take that off, and take that off. The whole thing should come straight off. Let's go. So we need to take that bolt off down there, that 10mm for the air filter box. Okay, after that it just pulls off from there, as you can see there. It will pull off from here as well. Move that out of the way. It's on a rubber here, so that should pull off as well. There we go. That comes off. Okay, after the battery is out of the way, what we're going to do is we're going to take the battery tray off. So this ECU is on the battery tray as well. So we've got two bolts there, 12mm bolts, one there, another one here, another one here, and a nut there. Take them off, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll take that off as well, 10mm. Hopefully battery tray gets out of the way, then we can gain access to the top of the gearbox. We can see everything then. Okay, these bolts are all off. The ones down there, this one, that nut here, everything is off. So what we do now is just move that out of the way. It might have some cable ties or something on here. I mean, you don't need to mess about taking all this off, you know. Just leave it as it is. Just move that to a side. There's the reverse light switch. Happy days, we can gain access to that. So what we'll do, press that, take that off. Let's take that reverse light switch off. Okay, there's the switch. In order to take that switch off, obviously you take the plug off, which is there. I've took the plug off. You can't really get it wrong. You need a 24mm socket ratchet extension, just like that, and anti-clockwise. Take that off, replace it with a new one. Happy days, let's go. Okay, there's the new one, brand new one. That's the part number. Okay, Cambier one. I mean, Cambier's pretty good. Part number's there. Okay, so yeah, it's Kia Sportage. Let's fit it. Okay, we've got the plug back on. I mean, all we do now is fit everything in reverse order. Put that back in there like that. Put it there. That goes on there. Put the air filter box back on. Put all these bolts back on in reverse order. Let's finish it off. Let's go. Okay, all done and dusted. Kia Sportage reverse light switch is done. What I'm going to do now is test it out, put it in reverse. What it was doing before is put it in reverse, take it out reverse. The reverse light still stayed on. Okay, so let's see if it does that. If it doesn't do that, at least that's one thing solved. Okay, let's see if it does it. Let's go. Okay, so we've got the ignition on. I mean, don't start the car up and put it in reverse, because somebody can stay in the car and do it that way. So what I'll do is put it in reverse. Okay, reverse lights are on. Okay, what I'll do now is I'll take it out of reverse. Put it in neutral. So far, so good. No reverse light on. We'll try it again. So we'll try it again just to be 100% sure. Put it in reverse. You can see the reverse lights are on. Take it out of reverse, neutral. Boom, happy days. So that's it, guys, that's it, all done and dusted, job done. Hopefully that should cure it. I mean, if you've come across this problem before where the reverse light on a Kia Sportage all of a sudden just turns on, then that could be your problem. Okay, I mean, instead of going to the main dealers and checking this, that and the other, just change that. Change the reverse light switch. Not the hardest job in the world. Change it, see if it does the job, happy days. If it doesn't, what can you do? Anyway, guys, I hope this video helps you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry. Try my best. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Raul TV, Team R4UL. We'll see you guys next time.